my dear students. Myself Shivlila Vibhute welcome you to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. So children, today I am going to teach you grammar lesson number 21. Go, goes, do, does. So children, today we are going to learn that how to use these words go, goes, do, does in the sentences. So children, be ready with your textbooks, grammar test. So lesson number 21, go, goes, do, does. Children, just read out these sentences. Read the sentences given here. The first sentence, I go to school every day. Here, I am speaking about I, only one person. I go to school every day. The second sentence, we go to the market by car. I am also included in that we. We are many. So here we have to use we go to the market by car. The third sentence, children, he goes to school by bus. Here he, I am saying to the other person and I am using here he or she. He or she goes to school by bus. Now the fourth sentence, I do my work before I go to bed. Speaking about only one single person, that is I do my work before I go to bed. Now the fifth sentence, children, she does her work neatly. She does her work neatly. She is one but talking about the other person. Okay. So now children, look at the box given below. It tells us about the correct use of go, goes, do and does. So children, here I go to play at 6 o'clock. I do the classwork neatly. I swim in the pool. Only one person, I am talking about only I. Now we go to play at 6 o'clock. Do the classwork neatly, swim in the pool. You, I am talking about you means that one person only, but here we have to use you go to play at 6 o'clock, do the classwork neatly, swim in the pool. Now children, they means many people are there. They go to play at 6 o'clock, do the classwork neatly, swim in the pool. Okay children? Now here talking about the other person, that is we are using for them he. Whether if it's a boy, we use he, girl, we use she, as you know. So he goes to play at 6 o'clock, does the classwork neatly, swims in the pool. So children, here as you see, when you compare the both tables, she goes to play at 6 o'clock, she does the classwork neatly, she swims in the pool. Okay, and Neha goes to play at 6 o'clock, Neha does the classwork neatly, Neha swims in the pool. And Anuj, particular name of a person. Anuj goes to play at 6 o'clock, Anuj does the classwork neatly, Anuj swims in the pool. So children, when you see here, when for I, we use go to play, do, I do the classwork neatly, I swim in the pool. Swim, as you all know, swim is an action word, right? It's a doing word. So here, when I use I, we, you, they, we have to use here I go to play, we do the classwork neatly, you go to play at 6 o'clock, they go to play at 6 o'clock. Okay children, now here he goes to play at 6 o'clock, She again goes. Neha again goes here. Anuj also goes. In the same way, we have to use this does also here. He does, she does, Neha does, Anuj does. Now this is the action word, as I said, swims. Now he swims, she swims, Neha swims in the pool, Anuj swims in the pool. Okay, children? So now children, I'll explain you this exercise also. Tick the correct words in the brackets. See now children, in this exercise, we have many action words here. So, how to use these words in a proper sentence? Okay children? He sings very well. Now children, here he is only one person. So you have to remember one thing, he is only one person. So here he sings. You have to tick sings here very well. You have to tick in your textbook neatly, children. The clock tells us the time. Only one clock is there. The clock tells us the time. You have to tick tells. These all are children doing words, okay? So the use of these words, how to use in the sentences, I'm teaching you the same. Now she clap her hands when she is happy. She is only one person, okay? So she claps her hands when she is happy. Yes, children, you have to read out the sentences also now. He sings very well. You have to repeat the sentence after me, children. He sings very well. The clock tells us the time. She claps her hands when she is happy. Yes, we'll go to the next page, children. The fourth sentence. So children, you listen carefully now. My grandparents. See, the picture is shown here. Both of them, they're not only one, two are there. Grandparents. My grandparents eats dinner at 8 o'clock. Yes, here, my grandparents eat dinner at 8 o'clock. We are speaking about more than one here. Grandparents are there. So, my grandparents eat dinner at 8 o'clock. The fifth one, they paint with watercolors. Now here they, yes, more than one, many, na? They means many. So they, yes, all of you are right. Paint with watercolors. Sixth sentence. A tailor, only one tailor. So you have to read it carefully. A tailor stitches clothes. Talking about one person. So here a tailor stitches clothes. Seventh one, the children remembers the story I told them. So here the children means many children. So the children, yes, all of you are right. Remember the story I told them. Eighth one. Mother sits on the chair and knit or knits. See, the picture is given here. What is she doing? She's knitting, na? So now mother sits on the chair and knit or knits. So you have to now tick the right words, okay? So now here mother, one person, talking about only one person, mother. So mother sits on the chair and, yes, all of you are right, knits. You have to tick the correct options, children, properly and neatly in your textbook. Yes, now you will repeat the sentences after me, children. My grandparents eat dinner at 8 o'clock. They paint with watercolors. A tailor stitches clothes. The children remember the story I told them. Mother sits on the chair and knits. Ready, children? So we will go to the next exercise. Look at the pictures and write what Preeti does every Sunday. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of doing words from brackets. See, I said you know these all are doing words. I have taught you these action words or doing words. So fill in the blanks with the correct form of doing words from bracket. These are forms for gets, get, brush, brushes. Okay? So now we have to fill in the brackets. The first one is, we are talking about now Preeti. You can see, refer the pictures given here, children. Preeti dash up late in the morning. Preeti is a single person and particular name of a person. So as you have seen the table, children. So Preeti, very good. You have to try. Gets up late in the morning. You have to write it neatly, children, in your textbook. She dash brush or brushes her teeth and gets ready. Children, here she. We are talking about only one person, that is girl, that she. She, yes, all of you, children, very good, brushes. Even you can tick these words and copy the same here, okay? She brushes her teeth and gets ready. Then she dash goes cycling. One person, she. So children, what will come here? Yes, all of you are right. Then she goes. Yes, goes cycling. Then she goes cycling. She dash comes or come back and dash eats oblique eat breakfast. Talking about she children. So you can refer the table also even. Okay. So she, yes, all of you are right. Comes back and eats breakfast. She comes back and eats breakfast. Next sentence, she dash watches cartoons for some time and then dash helps help her mother in the kitchen. Talking about Preeti here now. Now we are referring to she. She, yes, watches. She watches cartoons for some time and then dash her mother in the kitchen. Yes, children. What does she do? She watches cartoons for some time and then, talking about one person, what she does? She helps her mother in the kitchen. You have to fill in the blank in neat and tidy handwriting, children, in your textbook. She also dash plays chess with her father before lunch. Now again she is used here. So she, yes, plays chess with her father before lunch. Now listen carefully, children, here. Preeti gets up late in the morning. She brushes her teeth and gets ready. Then she goes cycling. She comes back and eats breakfast. She watches cartoons for some time and then helps her mother in the kitchen. She also plays chess with her father before lunch. So you have to go through the sentences once again, children. And you have to check it properly and write properly in your grammar textbook, children. Shall we move to the next page? Yes. Yes, children. Now second, I dash wakes up and get ready to visit my grandparents every Saturday. See children, I, talking about only one person I dash, wake or wakes up and get ready to visit my grandparents every Saturday. So here, how to use this words now, wake or wakes? So always with I. What do we have to use? I. Yes, right, wake. I wake up and get ready to visit my grandparents every Saturday. I dash combs or comb my hair and dash dress up well. See children, again only speaking about myself, only I. So I comb my hair and yes, dress up well. I dash take or takes fruits for them and dash hugs or hug them when I dash meet oblique meets them. So children, here we will go stepwise. I dash take oblique takes fruits. See, I here again myself, so it's take. I take fruits for them and yes children, and yes, hug them when I only one myself, then what? Meet or meets? Yes, meet them. I wake up and get ready to visit my grandparents every Saturday. I comb my hair and dress up well. I take fruits for them and hug them when I meet them. Ready children? Okay. Now the third sentence children here. A cuckoo bird dash sing oblique sing sweetly. See, a cuckoo bird, only one cuckoo bird we are talking about, this only one cuckoo bird. Then what we have to use there? Sing or sings children? Yes, think about it. Yes, a cuckoo bird sings sweetly. We dash hear oblique hears its song before summer, again dash, begin or begins every year. See children, now you look carefully here. We dash. We means many, including me. We, yes, hear its song before summer. Yes, before summer begins. You have to even tick the correct option, okay children? I dash want oblique wants to sing sweetly like a cuckoo bird. I, speaking about myself, so again I, yes, want to sing sweetly like a cuckoo bird. Fill in the blanks properly, children, in your textbooks. A cuckoo bird sings sweetly. We hear its song before summer begins. Every year, I want to sing sweetly like a cuckoo bird. Ready, children? Children, I'm going to play a video for you.
Step 21. Goes, do, does. I go to school every day. We go to the market by car. He goes to school by bus. I do my work before I go to bed. She does her work neatly. Now, look at the box given below. It tells us about the correct use of go, goes, do, and does. I, we, you, they go to play at 6 o'clock. Do the classwork neatly. Swim in the pool. He, she, Neha, Anuj goes to play at 6 o'clock. Does the classwork neatly. Swims in the pool.
Yes, children. Now again, I will explain you the table here. See, for I, we, you, and they, we have to use here go to play at 6 o'clock, do the classwork neatly, swim in the pool. Now here, he, she, particular names, Neha, Anuj, goes to play at 6 o'clock, does the classwork neatly, swims in the pool. Now we'll go for joyful games, children. So are you ready? Yes, we'll enjoy it.
The fairies want to draw click.
Yes, children. He sings very well or sing very well. Yes, he sings very well. See the color of the rainbow, children. The clock dash us the time. The clock tells us the time. See the fairies. She dash her hands when she is happy. She claps or clap her hands. Yes, she is only one person, so she claps her hands when she is happy. Beautiful colors, no children? My grandparents dash dinner at 8 o'clock. See children, grandparents. So here, eat dinner. They dash with watercolors. So here, they are many. So they paint with watercolors. A tailor dash clothes. A tailor means only one person, stitches clothes. The children dash the story I told them. Children are many, right? So remember the story I told them. See the beautiful colors of the rainbow, children. Enjoyed, na? Yes. So children, you have enjoyed the game as well as the lesson. So at home, you have to read the sentences again and go through the lesson and revise it properly. Thank you.